Hello students, today we are going to learn about noun. With different types of example, we'll know the different types of noun. So are you ready? Let's start. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Whatever we see in our surroundings, in this world, everything has its own name. Pen, pencil, rubber, cutter, book, cycle, house, building, everything, whatever we see has its name, and this name is called a noun. So noun is a naming word. Let's know more about with examples. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. In this world, everything has a name, and that name is a noun. Look at this picture. What do you see? A police, students, doctor, teacher, a boy, girl, man, and a woman. These are names of different people. These names are noun. Here are the pictures of animals. We can see different animals like monkey, snake, zebra, lion, horse, sheep, cow, duck, etc. These are also the names of animals. So these names are also noun. These are the pictures of some places: park, beach, school, hospital. These are the names of different places. So these names are also noun. Again we see here the pictures of things: a table, pen, book, TV, headphone, etc. These are also the names of different things. So these names are also noun. Here, look at this picture. We can have an idea that this man loves his dog, and dog also loves the man. Both are happy. So here, love, happy, we cannot see, but we can feel or understand or have an idea. So this is also noun. From these examples, we know that everything has names, and these names are known as noun. So noun is a naming word. It may be a name of a person, things, animals, places, etc. Again, nouns are of different types: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, collective noun, singular noun, and plural noun. Common noun. Non-specific. It does not talk about any specific person, place, thing, or idea. For example, man, city, religion, etc. It does not talk about any particular man. So here man is a common noun. Proper noun. Next, proper noun. Specific. It talks about a particular place, particular people, particular things, particular animals, etc. For example, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, a particular scientist. It is special name is given to a person. London, special or specific or particular name is given to a place. So these are proper nouns. Abstract noun, something that you cannot perceive with your five senses. that we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot taste. Okay, but we can feel, we can understand it, we can have an idea about it. For example, believe. We cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can understand, we can feel love, pride, happiness, etc. Concrete noun. Something that you can perceive with your 5 senses. We can see them, we can touch them, we can hold them. For example, apple, lion, eyes, flower, etc. Next, countable noun. Whatever things that can be counted, whatever that we can count is called countable noun. For example, pencil. We can count pencil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count. Apple. It is countable noun because we can count apple. Chair, clock, everything that we can count is called countable noun. Uncountable. Uncountable noun means that cannot be counted. We cannot count them. We cannot count it. For example, milk. We cannot count milk. We cannot count water. We cannot count music. So, these are uncountable nouns. For example, milk, music, food, water, snow, etc. Compound noun. Compound noun made up 2 or more smaller words. Made up 2 or more smaller words. For example, textbook. This word is made up of 2 smaller words. That means text and book. Text is a word and book is a word. These 2 smaller words made one word, that is textbook. Snowball, seafood, sunflower. These are made up of 2 words. So, these are called compound nouns. Collective noun. It refers to a group or thing as one whole. A group or thing as one whole. For example, bunch, audience, flock, group, family, a bunch of flower, a flock of birds. Singular noun refers to one person, place, things or idea. The noun that denotes one person, one place or one things, that is singular noun. For example, cat. Cat means one cat. Dog. Dog means here one dog. One sheep. One man. So this is singular noun. Plural noun. It refers to more than one person, place, things or idea. More than one. The noun that denotes more than one person, place, things or idea is known as plural noun. For example, dogs, cats, sheep, babies, etc. Dog. Dog means singular. One dog, dogs. Dogs mean more than one. So it is in plural. This plural noun. Cat. One cat. Singular noun. Cats. More than one cat. Then it is plural noun. Cats. Sheep. Sheeps. Baby. Babies, etc. So this is the end of this class. I hope all of you understand and have an idea about noun. So thank you.